Wow, a great land assembly here in central southwest Calgary. You can see what's being built about 10 years ago, but we have 1948 plus 7 other bungalows here in Bankview, right on the borders of South Calgary and Richmond Park Knobhill. 1948, good looking bungalow. Most all of these have suites. 1944 here. There's 8 of these bungalows on 26th Avenue, Southwest. 1940, boom. And great land assembly. So it's currently zoned RC2, but we really feel that there would be a great opportunity to increase the zoning. There's 1936, all in great shape. Lots of the windows have been replaced. 1932 here. Again, almost all of these, I think all but one has bungalow basement suites. And then this is the Primo house at 1928. And kind of, this is the only vacant property. And great basement, beautiful. That could easily be suited, not currently suited. And then we have 1924. You can see here in great condition. All the windows in that one have been replaced. And it is suited. There's Shirley helping me out today. And then we have our first 1920, which is not Swedish. And so, really great bungalow. Anything to add, Shirley? They're all about 45 feet by 139, I believe. All big units, all like around 600 square foot lots.
Nice workshop garages in the back.
Almost all.
Back lane, back alley.
Back alley, yep. Right on the border here. Well, we're in Bankview on the border of South Calgary and Richmond Park Knobhill. Currently, the city, effective January 1st, has made these inner city blocks, you're allowed to put in 4 plexes, and I've heard with basement suites. Can you believe it? Reach out if you have specific questions. Over and out.